Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back in a new video of Revit software. In this particular video, I am going to provide you an information about how we can generate number of layers, okay, and after, with respect to that, how we can prepare this model as a multi-story model, okay. And this is really very important video. But before that, you need to watch my rest video. The link given in the description box and playlist is also prepared. So now, first of all, what you have to do, just go to the south elevation, okay. When you go to the south elevation, you can see I already created few levels. So what you have to do is, it is very simple process. Okay. First, you need to select a level. Okay. Just select one level. Okay. Which you want to propagate upper side. So I first selected this layer. Okay. So I just selected this level now. Click here. Then provide the offset at what particular height you want next layer. Then click on this particular point, pick lines, and then click here. Okay, so in this way you can generate the number of layers. Okay, now you can see we transfer this particular level as from level 11 and one new we created as a level number 12. Now we want to rename this, so just right click here, select, right click, you can click on here. Okay, level number 3. Okay, 3, click on OK. Okay, here right click, rename, just click level number 4. Okay, select, right click, rename level number 5. Okay, select, right click, level number 6. Okay, then right click, rename level number 7. Okay, then right click, rename level number 8. Okay, so we are preparing G plus 7-story building. Okay, so it is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven. Okay, so ground story, this one plus 7-story. Okay, like this we are preparing. So what we have to do is, now it is very essential to see the whole process. Okay, after preparation of all levels, you need to go to the 3D three-dimension model. Okay, in three-dimensional model, select the model like this. Okay, whole model can need to be selected. Okay, when you select whole model, you need to make the model as a group. This model should be prepared as a group model. Okay, so here you can see create a group, click on here. Okay, then after that type that um, first floor model. Okay, click on OK. Now you can see if I select this model, it's selected as a group, not a single. If you cannot select the single particular model, it is selected as a singular model. Now what you have to do, just copy this model, okay, or just go to just do one thing, just go to the south elevation, okay. You can see the model is selected as a one, okay. Press Ctrl C, it means copy the model, okay, and here you just right click, okay, you need to copy the model, Ctrl C, okay, and you can paste this model. Just wait a minute, let's go to the three dimension only. Okay, Control C, in three dimension itself you need to put as a, you need to copy the model and just go over here, right click, paste, and here align to selected level, and you need to select the level from second to 7. Okay, so click on OK, and you can see the magic. Okay, so process is going on. You can see the model is prepared. Okay, now Control S. Okay, if I go to the south elevation, you can see the model elevation. Okay, right? On level number 8, you need to again need to create one more level, okay, to provide the one top floor for this particular level. Okay, but we are going to delete all these levels because we yet to finalize all the model. Okay, so in this particular video, I taught you how to prepare the model as a multi-story building model. You can see the model like this. This model will look like this. Okay, the entry of the model is from here. Just wait a minute. Okay, you can see the entry of the model. Okay, you can do the entries from here and go upstairs. Okay, you can see the model properly. If I show you, okay, just you can see this person comes from this direction. Here is the entry. He can go to their homes. Okay, or if they want to not go there, like if they want to go upstairs, they can go like this, okay, from his type. So this is what a process what I have taught you. I hope that you enjoy this particular video. Okay, in coming video definitely I'll tell you the lots of scenarios. Okay, so one more thing guys, don't forget to like my video. Okay, these are the elevation: east elevation, north elevation, okay, south elevation, right, you can see, and west elevation. So these are very tough works if you want to start in the the software like AutoCAD and all. So this all this correction I'm going to teach you in next video. So keep watching, keep learning. Have a nice day.